Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
And as far as coal ministry is concerned, we have appointed a specific PMU, project consultant, in our ministry itself to handhold and support to get all clearances and to get it operationalized at the earliest. Whoever starts the operation early, he has got incentive also. In spite of that, we are handholding and we are trying to support them. That's why I appeal to state governments once again, various state government, cooperate with the bidders, support them. Ultimately, this is the another 20-30 years, this coal we will be able to use it. After that, I don't know what pressure there may be, and we can't anticipate that. And this is the time that there is a huge opportunity for growth, and for growth we know the power, not political power, the electric power is very, very important. It is interesting to note that participants in bidding process also include players from several other sectors like real estate, infrastructure, pharma, etc. It proves that opening up of the sector has generated interest from the other sectors as well. As testimony to positive sentiment shared by the industry, we have decided to remove end user criteria from the bidding process. Almost 65% bidders were from non-end users category. The intention of withdrawing this end user restriction was that new player also should come